WBRC Law Call.
Well, welcome back in, everyone. Thanks for staying up with us tonight as we are talking about fighting the insurance company. Callie Mendenhall is with Ferris, Riley & Pitt. She's joining us tonight for this really important topic. We are going to go right back to the phone lines because we've had Yvonne over in Gardendale who has been holding so patiently. Thank you so much for that, Yvonne. If you will, go right ahead with your question tonight.
Yes, hi. I was calling because my daughter was in a car accident. The other person actually pulled in front of her and caused the accident. The other person was clearly at fault. The police report said that the other person was at fault. And the insurance company are saying that they're only going to pay a portion of the damages to her vehicle. This was before they actually received a copy of the police report. They made their determination before they, received the report. And so I wanted to know, what do we need to do, or what can we do to get her vehicle fixed? And
Yvonne, let me ask this: is this the other person's insurance that is saying this, or is this her insurance company that is saying?
Yes. No, I'm sorry, it's the other company.
Okay.
The other person's insurance company
that is saying they'll only pay a portion of the damages.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Callie, what would be your advice for her in that situation?
So in this situation, what I would do is, you're always in a spot where you can negotiate with them. So even though they're saying, hey, we're going to give you X amount, don't be afraid to say, well, I believe I'm entitled to this. And when you're having that conversation, one of the really good things that you can get at your fingertips is, what's the Kelly Blue Book value? What's the Edmunds car value? Look all of that stuff up. Was there anything that was done to enhance the car that might be recovered after the wreck that would still show an increase in value? And use all of those as a negotiation tactic for you to get more money out of that car.
Is there any way that her daughter's insurance company will help in that situation? Talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, but that's another alternative. You can look to your own insurance company. Now, you'll have to pay your deductible, but you can look to your own insurance company and go, listen, I need my car fixed. And your insurance company will fix your car, and then they will go and sue the other driver and try to get your deductible back for you. So that's one other option. One thing I would also mention, in addition to what Callie told us, is in Alabama we recognize something called diminution in value of your car. So your car is worth X number of dollars before a wreck. After a wreck and after it's been repaired, even though it's been repaired, it is worth less money because people will not pay as much money for a car that's been in an accident. So Alabama recognizes diminution in value, and it's a way that you can push that property damage claim up just a little bit. And it's a very realistic thing because you go to trade that car in, they're going to ask you if it's been wrecked, and if it has, they're going to reduce the value.
So now, what does the diminution in value do per se? Is it just acknowledgement?
It's an additional amount of money that this insurance company owes you because it's something you lost in the accident. Your car, even after repaired, is simply worth less money, sometimes as much as 20% less. So you take the price of cars today and can turn into a lot of money.
Yeah. Well, Yvonne, that's great advice for both of you all. Hopefully that helped to give you some direction to head in, Yvonne. So we certainly appreciate you calling in to ask that question. Thank you so much, and all the best to your daughter moving forward.